of education should they have? What procedure should a person go in just to buy a house before they even go to closing? What should they do?
Well, number one is to look and see, I would say know basically what money is, what are they going to loan you. And why do I say what money is? Because we have this gross misconception we know what money is. Black's Law Dictionary. Now let's get this clear. This doesn't mean that this is the law dictionary for black people. It just so happened that the lexicographer who set this dictionary up originally, his name was Henry Campbell Black. Henry Campbell Black. Black's Law Dictionary has become to be a very popular dictionary, widely used in the courts, okay? Tells you the definitions of things. This is one of the things that made Malcolm great, was the dictionary while he was in prison. Rather than do time, he used time. And he used it to raise his conscious level about the meaning of things. In Black's Law Dictionary, you can find the meaning, the definition of money. But guess what? It also has a definition of real money. It has two definitions. It has money, all right? Let me tell you the difference here. M-O-N-E-Y. I have it. M-O-N-E-Y.
Black's has a definition and Webster has a definition.
That's right. Webster's is the general definition. And this is what I'm giving you here. Law Dictionary has a general definition in it too, but it also has another one, and I'll read that for you. Money, this is the definite money, in usual and ordinary acceptation. Now that's usual and ordinary. That means everyday words, everyday use. Usual and ordinary. Acceptation, it means coins and paper currency and does not, check this out, does not embrace notes. So that means a Federal Reserve note is not money. Notes, bonds, evidences of debt. What is an evidence of debt? Any certificate is an evidence of debt. Look up certificate. Or other personal or real estate. Wow. Boy, especially in this time when everybody thought they was going to be buying up all the houses in America. We buy houses. Now everybody's losing them. All set up. Now that's money. Let's go over here now and look up real money. Definition, real money. You see that? Highlighted, real money. The other one just said money, and it said in the usual and ordinary. Now we're coming out of the usual and going into the unusual and the not so ordinary. Real money. Money which has real metallic, you heard that? Metallic, root word, metal. What kind of metals, I wonder? Well, if we went into the Constitution, which is the supreme law of the land, it says that in Article 1, Section 10, that what? No state shall make anything except gold and silver coin a tender in payment of debt. It says that you cannot pay a debt with anything but gold and silver coin.
Not even copper?
Well, that is what we call fractions of the real money.
Not even nickel.
Okay, gold, silver, and copper, but it said metallic.
Metallic. Okay.
Right. So we got here $1 in silver. It says on the back here, 1 ounce fine silver equals $1. And on the back, what do you see there? What kind of bird is it? Eagle.
Okay.
You've heard the song Friday. On Friday, the eagle flies on Friday. And Saturday I go out to play. The eagle flies. What eagle flies? The silver eagle, the gold eagle, payday. But nobody has been paid since 1933. Why? Because you can only pay a debt with silver and gold coin, metal. That's what it said, real money. And remember, we read the definition for money in its ordinary use and acceptation. It means any coin, paper, so forth. But we get to the definition of real money. It said money which has real metallic intrinsic value. So to answer that question about copper, yes, copper has intrinsic value. That's why copper, gold, and silver are the coins is to be used, because copper has metallic value. But if you look at pennies now, what's allegedly a penny, then it has no copper in them.
Oh.
You know, you can take a penny like this. It appears to be copper. It has the color of copper. Still got Lincoln's head on it, looking towards the east, whereas the other ones are looking toward the west. What does that mean? But anyway, this is supposed to be a penny. Now you can take this penny, well, let's see. What color is that? If we could rub it all the way down, you could rub that coating off of it. It's not copper. So you still don't have any money with that. This has no metallic value, except for the type of pot metal that it's made out of. But see, we rub that copper coating right off of it. So you've been tricked again. All right? Here is the real silver dollar. Now, they had a real dollar silver. A dollar is a unit of measurement. A dollar is in the same category as pound, as ounce, as bushel. It's a unit of measurement. So when I said, give me $1, that's like saying, give me a bushel or give me a quart. What would be your response if I said, give me a quart? You would say, a quart of what? To complete it, a bushel of what? A gallon of what? Or $1 of what? That becomes valuable. That becomes tradable. That becomes negotiable. I can use that to exchange. I can say, hey, you got corns, I need beans. Why don't I give you some of this corn for beans?
WATP.